You could use the candle different ways. After you have lit the candle, after you have opened it, you could tune to the fire. You could organize some kind of connection between you and the candle, you and the fire. You can feel this warmth of the fire in different parts of your body. For example, in your heart. It is not harmful. It can't be harmful. It's helpful for your inner state, for your feelings, for your health. If you have a bad cough, you can use this candle and this warmth of the fire to place it inside your lungs or your bronchs and warm them from the inside. You can use the candle to clean something. For example, your eyes. Nowadays people work a lot with computers and spend lots of hours in front of the screen, and they have problems with their eyesight, with their eyes, and as the result, headaches. So after maybe an hour of staying in front of the computer screen, you could use the candle to clean your eyes. You light the candle and look at it so that you start to feel the warmth of the candle coming inside your eyes through kind of channels. They appear themselves between your eyes and candle if you look at it for some time with the desire to clean your eyes. It could be a bit painful at first, and even you could have tears in your eyes. But if you spend some time for this exercise, later on the pain goes away and you have the release in your eyes. They become warm, they become soft, and you feel that you have had a rest for some period of time. So you can improve your eyesight even this way.